Welcome back. In this video, we will see a couple of questions related to sine rule. There are two types of questions in sine rule. First, they will give you two angles and one side, right? And we need to find the other angles as well as the sides. And this is the sine rule, right? Let's see which one we need to use. Both are same, but one is flip version of the other one. What we have is we have given two angles as well as two sides, right, opposite to each other, so we can use our formula. They are asking for sine. We need to use this formula, so it's quite easy to use rather than this one. So let's skip this one. So this formula says a over sine a equal b over sine b. 27 over sine 40 degree is equal to the unknown side b over sine 73 degree. So if you make b subject, b is going to be equal to 27 over sine 40 times sine 73 degree. And if you use a calculator in degree mode, the answer for this one would be 40.2 meters to 1 decimal point accuracy. This is another type of question using sine rule, where you will be given two sides and an angle which is not between the two sides. That's very important. These two sides, and they didn't give this angle. If they're given this angle, we can't use the sine rule. So the angle they gave us is this one, which is 30 degrees. Now they're asking for angle. If you want to find angle, we need to use this formula because you can see the angle on the top. It's quite easy to use. These are the corresponding angle and side. These are the corresponding angle and side. So let me write theta over 70 is equal to sine 30 over 19. If we rearrange this equation, sine theta equal to sine 30 divided by 19 times 17. The answer for this multiplication is 0.4473. Again, if you want to find the theta, what you need to do, you need to use your calculator, press shift plus sign. That will give you sine inverse, where you enter 0.4473. The answer would be 26.57 degree. See, the answer to this question is 26.57 degree. Thank you.